Sirui Sniper Series f1.2 APS-C lens for my Fuji 56mm. Let's check it out. So, why do you need a 58mm in APS-C? Because it's basically, with a crop factor, an 80mm, which is what some call the perfect portrait lens. So, let's see. You know, I hate doing this one hand thing, and you don't know how to open a box, and you got to figure it out. Hold on. Kickstarted these. I missed the Kickstarter, but they were still on sale after the Kickstarter, so I got one. And this almost completes my lens set for my camera, so I'm super happy about that. Warranty card, paperwork. Ooh, this comes in 3 colors: black, white, and silver. There's a little bag for it. Ooh, it's bulky. So, I mean, hold on. This thing was vacuum sealed, so. Alright, there it is. 56mm 1.2 Sirui prime lens. Can't wait to shoot with it. That almost completes my lens collection. And this is what it looks like with the lens shade all the way out. It's got the nice blue line going across here. It's called a sniper, by the way. Really nice lens. Depth of field on this thing is going to be beautiful. And there it is.